Blender's Math Magic 3 by Sahil Singh. In college programming, I enhanced snippets of code to meet my needs, learning in the process. Until now, I relied on realizations. Part 3 shows how I use recipes. From ebooks, let's decode Blender 3D Noob now. Material index water has color values and alpha Z transparency. I applied those here. I enabled mirror, set specularity shader with hardness, and ray mirror value. Nodes on for textures. Stussy linked with hard plastic noise. Add turbulence and gamma color. Higher color value for lighter results. Properly label the material. Add wave modifier and set water texture. Verify material and test run. Tweak to your liking. Set camera to optimized location and hit render. Objects are missing until set to a visible scene layer. Add sun and enable for scene 1. Same concept applies for each fence array part. Let's try another material. Wood method 2. New wood material. Set color and hardness. Nodes on. Clouds to output with depth and size. Material node links to material tab. Offset and second color combined to alpha. Combine node wood texture with material. There, textbook perfect. Here's my take on enhancements. In nodes, I added a displacement map. Then wood with hard saw and crackle. Emissions to taste. Lock view to corner and render. Add log value. I explored other workplaces and it got me thinking. Can I build my own grain? I resolved the image combining logs and prime numbers. In texture tab, add offset and project tube. That reveals this bird's eye wood grain effect. I learned that I can quickly alter geometry by modifying the influence panel values. Really? A hell-themed fence? Let's properly set up the GOB add-on for Zbrush integration. Install in Blender first, then Zbrush. You can link other programs to Zbrush too. Photoshop, for example. Enable import as subtool. I want to try the basic way of exporting first. Export as fence, piece.fbx. Selected objects. And that didn't work. Hitting GOZ uses the add-on instead. Exporting as .stl works manually. I drew multiple copies here in order to learn Zbrush. Then played with the hook brush. Learning one 3D software means easier transition to another. My first Zbrush build is this microbe. I understood why only one piece of the array transfers. Hitting join reveals only these pieces are solid. The rest are ghost copies. Let's fix that. Reload. Select links object data. Mesh. Convert to mesh. Keep original configuration. GOB exports. All 5 fence parts are now solid. If you wanted one part as entire fence, hit P1 in Blender. Or do what I did. Save the tool in Zbrush, then draw it back into existence. Blender calls them models, and Zbrush calls them tools. But ideally, there's objects. I see a workflow starting to develop. Hope you learned something today. Bye.